This is Kris Jenner's house in California worth $20 million, and it's located immediately next door to Khloe Kardashian's $17 million home. Built in 2019 on top of an acre and a half, Kris's mansion includes 8 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, and over 16,000 square feet of living space. The property features a movie theater, gym, office and lounge, guest house, covered patios, pool with inset spa, and even an 8-car garage. She and Khloe spent a combined $37 million building these two homes side by side on a 3.4-acre lot with no boundary fences between them and direct pathways connecting both houses. Kris's interiors are done in her signature warm, neutral palette with custom marble throughout, a massive chef's kitchen, and floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the backyard. They're also just a short drive from Kylie Jenner and Kim Kardashian's homes, keeping the entire family close. Would you live here, and do you want to know more about Khloe's side of the compound?